Okay guys, I believe this is film number 4, still on the Hoover roof. Won't be long now and we'll be making our way out. Okay. Yep, been down once.
Oh, have you got this torch end?
Yeah.
Oh, you got this torch?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right then. Where is it?
In my back pocket.
Oh.
I got something to show you down here. I want to capture on film. I think it's a dead pigeon decomposed. Turn around, Reese. Need to turn around. No, just turn around. Stand up, turn around.
I don't know if there's enough in doorway.
That's it, you've got it now. Just hold the sides of the ladders. And keep coming. Keep going, big push now. That's it. You've got it, keep coming. Keep coming, you've got 6 steps to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Come and have a look at this, Reese. While we're waiting for them to come down. Look at that.
That's what I was looking at. I seen that. What is that?
I think it's a decomposed pigeon, but I'm not sure.
What's that?
Well, that's why you turn into a mulch after you rot away. So, but I'm not sure. I might be wrong. There might be stuff off there, but look, check that, Trav.
What? It's solid. It's water.
It's water, is it?
Solid.
Oh, is it? Oh, I thought it was a decomposed bloody pigeon. How wrong I am. I was looking at him. He's off there, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh well, I'm an idiot.
Minerals from water out.
There you go. So Diabeto 46 is a bit of an idiot.
I only know because I tried that out earlier.
Oh, we're going. No, me and you going in the shaft. Yeah.
Right, so
Me and you going half in the shaft. Not all the way. What? What in the
your call.
The only thing, you got to listen to me. So if I think it's alarmed, I ain't going in. Right? You got to listen to me.
Alright.
Don't open the door till.
Which way is it? This way?
No way. That way.
Right, hang on. You have to hold that. And if we got to make a quick exit, we got to make a quick exit.
I'm going to peg it.
What?
So I'm going to peg it.
No, not peg it. It's water, so I've been informed. It's called a stalagmite. Which way is it? There's a pigeon. Yeah, I've got loads of pigeons on film.
Does it scare him?
Yeah, he's scared. Yeah.
That's a crow. Watch out, there's crows. In there. He's in there, isn't he?
Which way?
Sorry. Fuck. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Good. Mine goes dead.
Don't know how much battery I got left, but I've got 5 minutes of film 4 left. So
I'm keeping it 7:20 minutes, so I guess.
please let me go first, yeah?
About 25 minutes of recording.
We're not going over there, by the way.
No, not
Right.
that.
I'm telling you straight, right? I'm not going all the way through, okay? Because there is a light on there, isn't there? Or is that a reflection? Right, okay. It's very unlikely it's a reflection. That's a light. That's a light. So there's power. Right, you stay there. Stay there, please. No. There's an alarm box. By there. In the grey. Don't do it, it's too risky. Come on, we've got away with murder so far. Come on. Let's go, where are we going? Down? There, let's go down this way. Come on, we'll make our way out. We've got away with it, we've done good, we have. We've done good.
What's this? Can't be in there. Can't be in here.
It's okay, we're not doing it. We've come down the stairs, you can't get in there.
Can't get in, can you?
No, it's locked. That's an old oscillator. It don't work. Right, what's this? What have we tried to do? Pull it down. This is the way out, yeah? Are we on the right floor to get out?
Yeah. See how much fold all of this.
Okay.
See?
Yeah, that's just the big room, isn't it?
It's the bottom floor now, yeah.
Yeah, this is bottom floor.
Bottom. We'll finish the bottom floor now. We didn't see it all, then we get out of here then.
Have we been down to this floor?
Yeah, we haven't done much of it, we just went down one corridor.
There's not a lot to see, really. No, just a couple of rooms.
This would have been a very nice office block back in this day.
Downstairs now.
We have to do this anyway.
We've been in here, haven't we? Reese.
We got our way in and out, haven't we? We got our way in and out.
Yeah, we got a proper way in and out now. There's no point in going through there.
Here's my sticker.
Bit nervous about this thing coming. I don't know if he's only 40. Is he not?
Is he?
Yeah, excellent.
So is Dan, isn't
That?
he? So is Dan.
I realise that.
Yeah.
So they literally snitched everything in the comments. All the fans and stuff that we didn't take it. One fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher.
No, I just did it back. In fact, there, because that's where your bang comes from.
It's on his floor.
Yeah, it's in.